How to remove or delete friends on Monopoly Go. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to make sure that you're using the latest version of this Monopoly Go application. Now, removing someone from your friends list is very easy. All you have to do is to go to the bottom right corner of your Monopoly Go game, tap this friends icon, and if you want to add someone, just click the add button. Go to timeline to see the updates. Go to letterboard to see your global, local, and friends. Now, if you want to add someone again, you just have to click add. But then again, if you realize that you don't want them to be on your friends list. If you want to remove them from your friends list, all you have to do is to simply tap their name. Once you tap their name, then you will see this remove button. But don't worry, they will ask you again if you want to remove this. So once you tap this remove button, they will ask you again, are you sure? Do you want to remove this person as a friend? Now, if you're 100% sure, then all you have to do is to click this remove button. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you want to add them again, you just have to go to friends. Then you can invite this person again, or you can scroll down. You will see their suggested friends. So click add or click hide. Now you can go to letterboard to see the people from global, local, and your friends list. And that's how easy it is to remove or delete friends on Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.